Home gardeners love to grow tomatoes, and I do too, but I want to give you some tips so that you have a great tomato season. One of the things that you can do with tomatoes that's special for this particular plant is plant them super deeply. So what I like to do is I remove my tomato start from the pot, and then I take my handy snips and I just cut off the bottom leaves like so, just leaving these couple on top. Once those are removed, I'll take my tomato plant and I stand it up inside my pot. I only have these 2 leaves just poking barely up out of the top of the pot, and that's exactly what I want. So tomatoes will continue to grow roots off of their stem tissue, which creates a much stronger plant when you plant it deeply. I'll fill my pot all the way up and then just sort of press down as I'm moving around. This is gonna just explode with growth and fill this whole pot with roots, which is wonderful. Now this guy isn't ideal. As you can see, its stem is incredibly long. What you want is a nice stocky plant. When your tomato is large, you're gonna prune off a lot of the leaves that are on your plant. It provides air flow through your plant, which mitigates some disease, and it also makes it easier for the plant to grow large, heavy fruits. Once it's watered and it's fed, it'll be super happy. It'll start to produce a whole bunch of new roots, and then I'll have a nice thick stalk and a really beautiful, strong plant. Whether you're growing cherry tomatoes or brandywine tomatoes, if you follow along with these tips, you'll have a super successful season and lots of fruits to enjoy.